Hi, this is Dr. Pan, host of Tucson Math channel on YouTube. Today we have a very interesting radical equation to solve here. Let's get started. It's a little tedious, but it's not hard. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to square both sides. Okay, the reason we want to square it is we want to get rid of the radicals. Now, a common mistake a student makes is this. Okay, they put those two terms down and they completely forgot the cross term. Okay, you need to remember there is a cross term that when you square both sides, this happens all the time. So don't just write those two down, but you do have to have the cross term. Okay, this is the important part. This one is equal to 36. Since this one we have to re-square it again, let's clean it up first. So y and a y, this one we have a 5y here. Okay, 12 and 6, we have a positive 6 and minus 36, so I have minus 30. Okay, and let's move this whole chunk over. So 4y plus 12, and then y minus 6. Okay, so far so good. So all I did is I collect all the terms, I moved the 36 over, and I cleaned it up here. If it's not clear, push the pause button and make sure you can get the step first. All right, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to square it again. The reason I'm going to square is I want to get rid of the radicals on that side. So I have 25y squared minus twice of 5y times 30 equal to 4. Now this time I have successfully gotten rid of the radical signs. Okay, so now it's just from here it's downhill. We just need to have to clean up and make sure we're neat and tidy. So here we have minus 300y here is equal to 4. This one, let's do the top. Okay, so I have a 4y squared, and then I have minus 24y. Underbelly here, I have a plus 12y, and then I have a minus 72. Okay, all right, let's keep on simplifying here. I have 25y squared. I'm going to have minus 16y squared from that side, minus 300y, and then here I have a minus 12. Okay, so I have minus 4 times 12y. Since it's minus on this side, when I moved over, it'll be plus. Okay, and then I have a plus 4 times 72. That's the whole thing is equal to 0. All right, let's keep on simplifying here. So I have 25y squared minus 300, and this number comes, it's let's see, did I complete it? This is actually a 900. I missed the number over here. Okay, so plus 900. The reason is that I have to do this square, that's this one. Okay, cross term, and that's this one here. And then this term is the one I missed. Okay, let's add it back there. Okay, now let's see, we have 25y squared minus 16y squared. This one gives me a, let's just combine this one. This is 9y squared. Okay. And then I have this chunk here, that's minus 300 plus 48. That's 252y. And then I have a plus 900 and plus 4 times 72. I think that's a 1188. Okay, so this whole thing equal to 0. Once again, push the pause button if you don't see the complete step. Make sure you can get to this step here. All I did is I opened up the left-hand side here and got it over here. Okay. And then I cleaned this side up. It's a little messy, but do it slowly. Okay, and then I gathered all the terms, combined like terms. I finally end up with a quadratic equation. Fortunately, everything is a factor of 9, so it's y squared plus 28y, and it's plus 132. Okay, from here it's just really easy. Now, if you don't see a 132 factor, you can do the 2 times 66. Okay, 2, that's a 6 and 11. Okay. From here, you can see this is 22, this is 6. That gives you the 28. So y minus 22, y minus 6 equal to 0. So y is equal to 22, or y equal to 6. Okay, so since this is a radical equation, we got to check the answer. Let's go back check. Okay, when y equal to 6, then I have radical of 24 plus 12 minus 0 is equal to 6. Yes. Let's check the other one. It's 22. So 4 times 22, that's 88 plus 12 minus 22 minus 6. That's the 16. That's a 4. This one is a 0, 9, that's 100. So that's 10 minus 4 equal to 6. Check again. So both answers are correct. So indeed, y is 22, and let's put it or y equal to 6. That's the answer. Right? Hope this helps. Have a confident day.